butter side down. Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back again. This is Chef Manish here with another easy and quick recipe. Today I'm gonna show you guys one of the crayfish recipe. I've got beautiful crayfish over here and I'm gonna grill this one and I'm gonna marinate it with garlic butter. So I'm gonna show you guys in this recipe garlic butter recipe also. So that garlic butter recipe is gonna be a really good one because it has lots of herbs in there and garlic in there. So, and I'm gonna serve this crayfish with a beautiful charred bok choy with some hollandaise sauce in there. So hollandaise sauce gonna get some spicy thing in there, which I'm gonna add some chipotle in there. So my mouth is already watering, you know, when I'm talking about it. So let's start cooking this beautiful crayfish. Alright, those are the herbs I'm gonna use to make garlic butter out of it. So I've got some parsley, some sage, and here we got some fennel and thyme and garlic, and of course room temperature spreaded butter. So let's start making this. So what we're gonna do, put all our herbs in there. Just break them down, it will be easy for us to blend it. As you can see, it's nice and smooth now. We're gonna transfer this into our same bowl here. Beautiful. That was a big process to get this beautiful garlic butter. So So you guys can cook as it is from the top to bottom, or you can take it off the head and just cook the tail. So it looks nice with the garnish, goes with whole like this. So I'm gonna cook it all the way through, stuff some garlic butter in there and cook on the grill this way. Alright, now it's time to butter our beauty here. We got nice and silky butter over here. So we're just gonna put it through. So don't be afraid to put a bit extra, because that's where you're gonna get flavor out of it. Alright, that's all done. We're gonna keep it on the side, and now we're gonna make our hollandaise, chipotle hollandaise. So yeah. So that's all what I basically need to make a chipotle hollandaise. So I've got here 3 eggs. I'm gonna use 3 egg yolks and about 4 tablespoons of butter. So I'm gonna melt this butter through, and chipotle powder, chili powder, and salt and pepper and white wine vinegar. That's it. So let's start making this. I'm gonna melt this butter through first, put it back to stove. I'm gonna crack those eggs into a jar, and so crack those eggs here. And now it's time to add our butter. So make sure your butter is nicely boiling. You don't want cold butter in there, otherwise it's gonna split through. So make sure your butter has to be boiled like this, really hot. So I'm gonna put it through this one. And that's it. I should get nice and creamy hollandaise here. I'll show you guys. You see, it's nice and creamy. So immediately you can transfer this one into a flask. So just stay as it is. For 30 to 40 minutes. So for the service. That's how you do it. Alright, we're gonna put the lid on, and now it's time to grill our crayfish and our bok choy. Because I'm a bit busy here. Alright, we're gonna grill our crayfish now. Pan is nice and hot. We're gonna put our butter side down. I've got my bok choy over here. I'm gonna just cut it and put it around the pan over here just to give nice charred color. And one lemon, we can do the charred lemon also to serve it with. It smells so good, all the herbs in there and garlic in there. This is gonna be a really beautiful dish. See, started to cook now, nice. So it's time to put our bok choy in there. Just grab and cut it into two pieces. So put one on the other side and the other one on the other side here. And get nice charred in there. And our lemon. Charred lemon. Put our lemon also, cut it into half and put it in here. Nice charred color. Lid on to just get nice those bok choy leaves also to get the steam up from the pan. Alright, this looks ready now. I'm going to turn off the heat and you can see our bok choy nicely wilted through, and the fish, the crayfish looks ready now also. Alright, now time to plate it up. Alright guys, now it's time to plate up. I've got some whipped potato over here, so nice and creamy whipped potatoes. I'm gonna go at the bottom. You can see those wilted bok choys, beautiful. Nice charred on that one. Here you can see our crayfish looks beautiful. That's our charred lemon. See? Alright, now it's time to pour our chipotle hollandaise sauce in here. Fennel seeds in here. Beautiful. This dish looks so beautiful. Just a sprinkle of chipotle powder. Beautiful. See? Awesome. From that side here. Alright, now it's time to taste this beauty. Alright, I need to squeeze my lemon in there. Ooh, it's beautiful. You can see it's nicely cooked through. Some whipped potatoes. Tastes so good. The garlic, herby garlic butter gives a really nice herby flavor in there, and that chipotle hollandaise is just amazing. Very creamy and spicy also at the same time. But that creamy whipped mash gives you a really nice creamy texture also in there. So, see, charred bok choy cooks through really nice also. And bite with some sauce in there. So good. Nicely charred at the same time, really freshness also. You want to try some? Is it nice? Like it? Okay, thank you. Beautiful. Love it. Alright, thank you very much guys. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Please do like and share with your friends if you like the recipe, and also please don't forget to subscribe my channel, The Recipes, if you're not one of my subscribers. Till then, take care, bye. I will see you again with another exciting recipe. Peace. Cheers.